Hi, it's Peter Laughlin again, just checking in how you're doing with the step-by-step videos on setting up and funding your Cloud Token wallet. Just to make sure everyone is in the right place, if you haven't done step 1 yet, please click the link below to step 1. You're going to want to do that first. But otherwise, if you're all ready, let's go ahead with step 2.
Okay, now that you have your Cloud Token wallet all set up and safely secured, we can move to step 2, which is to fund your wallet. And so we're going to send some digital assets, some cryptocurrency from wherever you're storing it or holding it. It could be on your Coinbase account, it could be on a Binance exchange, it could be in another wallet. It doesn't matter. You choose the asset that you want to use to send to your Cloud Token wallet. For this training setup video, we're going to do Ethereum. We're going to click on Receive. You want to make sure you read that red font, which is to remind you that you should only be sending Ether to an Ether address. You're going to click on Copy, which is going to copy your unique personal Ethereum wallet address. Now, we're going to multitask here on the phone. We're going to move over to, for this video, I'm going to use some cryptocurrency from my GDAX, which is the new Coinbase Pro. I simply am going to select Trade. I have 1.8 Ethereum coins sitting in there. I'm going to do withdraw. I am going to select the currency that I want to withdraw, which is Ethereum, and I'm going to paste in the destination, which is that wallet address. We are going to do, just for this purpose, we're just going to do $10 worth of Ethereum, and we are going to withdraw the Ether. Now I have a security on all of my accounts, and so I'm going to pull up I'm going to copy the clipboard. I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to paste it in, and we're going to withdraw. Perfect. Your transaction is on the way. Now it's up to the blockchain, right? So it could take 5 minutes. It could take 10 minutes. It could even take 20 minutes. Listen, it may even, if you're trying to deposit Bitcoin, it could take a few hours. Word of encouragement here, just be patient. It will show up. So once your digital asset shows up in the wallet, once your Bitcoin or your Ethereum or your Litecoin shows up, we're going to have another video below this video, or the step 3 video, which is going to walk you through activating your Jarvis project. So I will see you. Let's see if it's in there, because Ethereum has been moving pretty quickly, but it's not in there yet. But I will probably start the 3rd video with the Ethereum in the wallet. So we'll see you in the next video.
Hi, just want to say that for some of you, step 2 may be a little bit over the top because you haven't done this before. But I assure you, if you go back through it once again, or maybe even 2 or 3 times if you need it, you're going to get ready to go on to step 3. So if you need to slow down a little bit, that's okay. Otherwise, we're moving on to step 3. Here we go. Just click the link below.